Hey YouTube, welcome to another unboxing video. And as you could see, today we are going to unbox Spice Bomb Extreme,
aka the sex bomb.
that's what they all call it. I got mine, if you're in India, I got mine from Shoppers Stop. I got a 30% discount on it, so yeah, you can check it out. Let's go ahead and unbox it. You have a textured kind of box. Here's your batch code. Nothing fancy on the sides, and there's your logo, Viktor Rolf. The scan code, you could register your secret code online and join their loyalty program. Alright, I know the lighting condition was not great and something actually went wrong with the audio as well. But yeah, that was the full presentation, and the whole purpose of this video was to let you guys know that this fragrance is not reformulated. It still projects like a beast mode fragrance and lasts all day. So I would still recommend this Spice Bomb Extreme, aka
The sex bomb.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.